in her eyes, and I asked her where he was.
I don't know if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't do anything. He was helping find mania, all the whiskey smarts of him. I didn't follow my day of justice from the judge under a scene, but I knew right then I'll never get it again when he said the name.
Wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Well, I knocked and knocked and no one came, so I kicked in his double wide door. I let the hammer drop before he got to that 12 he was reaching for. I didn't try to hide my pistol, I didn't even try to run. I just sat on the porch smoking one of his cigarettes, waiting for the car